Here's door 10 here on my PEZ advent calendar. Let's open it up and see what kind of candy flavor we get today. It's mango! I have Summer Santa here. I think this mango PEZ would fit perfectly inside. You know, because when you think of summers, don't you think of mango? And Santa sitting on the beach eating mangoes? Let's try one. I haven't had one of these since last advent calendar. I guess it tastes like mango candy. I don't eat a lot of mango candy to know, but it's not my first choice. See everybody tomorrow for December 11th.